What happens to your body when you eat tofu for 30 days? 1. Improves health. Tofu is a significant source of unsaturated fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to improved heart health. Regular tofu consumption can lower levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and lower the chance of developing heart disease. Isoflavones, which are included in tofu, may also encourage blood vessel elasticity and enhance blood flow. 2. Increased bone strength. Tofu is a great plant-based source of calcium, which is essential for keeping teeth and bones strong. You may guarantee an appropriate calcium intake by eating tofu every day, which is necessary for preventing osteoporosis and preserving bone density. 3. Tofu is a complete protein, which means it includes all of the key amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. Because of its high protein level, it is a great option for people who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. Consuming tofu on a regular basis can promote muscle growth, speed up recovery after workouts, and preserve overall muscle mass. 4. Harmonized hormone levels. Tofu includes phytoestrogens, which are organic substances with an estrogen-like structure. Particularly in women who are suffering menopausal symptoms, these substances can assist in regulating hormone levels in the body. The phytoestrogens in tofu may help with night sweats, hot flashes, and other hormonal issues. 5. Weight management. Tofu is a low-calorie, low-fat food that, thanks to its high protein content, makes you feel full. Tofu is advantageous for weight management since it can help you manage appetite and consume fewer calories overall. The high fiber content of tofu also promotes a healthy digestive system and can help people avoid overeating. Individual reactions to tofu eating may differ, thus it's important to keep an overall balanced diet.